Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Gladiator. The Jeep Gladiator is just the off-road truck that Jeep fans have been waiting on. Enjoy the functionality of a truck while retaining the off-road capability. You'll fall in love with this Jeep Gladiator. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, alloy wheels, running boards, traction control system, daytime running lights, fog lights, navigation system, backup camera, heated seats, heated steering wheel. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.